Come on, Lucas. There's gotta be a funny way to open up the show. Like monkeys dressed like characters from Game of Thrones. No, we don't have the wardrobe for that. Breathe. Trying to think.
Okay. Did you want a chip, though?
Get out of here, you thought wrecker! Cute Combat! I'm Lucas Cruikshank, and this is Cute Combat, the show that puts categories of cute animal videos against each other to narrow it down to the ultimate category of cuteness. I know what you're thinking. Lucas, you're just so darn cute. There should be a whole category of videos about you, and they would for sure win.
Nobody's thinking that.
Fair enough. Last week, we had cosplay critters versus Yelp reviews battling it out. And after counting up your votes using our toes this time, because our fingers got tired, the winner is Yelp reviews! Today, we have two brand new categories to smush in your eye holes. Miss Hygieniality.
Here's Sandy brushing her teeth.
Sandy brushes her teeth.
Finally, a dog whose breath doesn't smell like butt. Hey, you need a tissue? Oh, I got the booger out 3 minutes ago. No, I'm just having fun. All this talk about hygiene really makes me want to take a shower. In a few days. Oh well, it's time for category number 2, primating.
The one guy
It would be cute if that monkey wasn't married.
Want to bring him home?
Aw, isn't that cute? They're kissing bacteria-infested glass. I feel the same way when I talk to customer service to a little guy.
He's just a crap phones. Oh, God.
And that's all for today's battle. Be sure to vote below and on Twitter for which category you want to win. Also, be sure to wash behind your kneecaps. It's a commonly overlooked area. See you next week.
Sorry. Did you want a chip, Lucas?
Get out.